Let's talk about the right way to install a seat belt. Here are the parts we have. We've got the seat belt flange and clip, I guess. We have a bushing, 2 washers, a bolt, and a nut. So what we want to do is leave plenty of clearance for our seat frame to go by on the rail here. So we start with a bolt, and then a washer, then the bushing, then the clip, then the washer. And the problem, of course, is there's not much clearance on the floor here. So we have to kind of slide the washer in. And now the tricky part is the nut. And if you're clever, you use the wrench to hold the nut at the right angle. Pull the bolt out slightly and slide it in like that. All make sense? Get your box on here. And now you have a nice free clip. All the parts are here. It's nice and tight. And we have maximum clearance for the bottom of the seat frame when it goes by.